so they will talk and go reach some play. Time don't reach now, more throw away Tori for now for palava Pidgin. Una go here now. Una go here big time Pidgin where guy go blow for now. Una say una go enjoy the tea. Una go enjoy yes. A salute Gael. A salute to.
Bonjour, c'est
no, wait to be bonjour. To say a salute.
Okay, a salute.
So okay, wait to be the first news.
Some mommy collapse for village.
Hey, you don't talk that one. For that side for village, for Nokpasi. So Reme don't go church yesterday, countryman, countrywoman. What it happen? It pass all man. The Reme way it ever be very punctual. That means anytime we church one be for Catholic church, it don't be before, it don't be time, it don't already reach. Reme now, it collapse. It collapse, it fall. They take Reme now, they rush him for go for hospital for GE. They go for that hospital, they call it say Saint Jean Hospital. They carry go for Saint Jean Hospital. Na so that Reme Ikwara. The thing happen na for that side for born this. For Catholic Church for born this. People they don't know what happen. So take a now, they never make autopsy. That means say make that scientific research what for see I say what happen. What happen before the remedy collapse and the remedy the Kwara for Catholic Church for that side for Bonedis for village. As we tell una so remedy their body it dey from kini or a Peter where they don't put arm, they wait now all the time, say the family he do all the program before they move remedy body, before they carry and go say they want go for that side, go put them for that play they record them say burial. So anytime if the information come carry we go give una. But una know say some Reme it collapse for that side for Catholic Church for Bonedis for Douala and the Reme Ikwara for hospital where they call us Saint Jean de Dieu. Voilà. Now so the thing it happened.
Chief them rape some girl for Bonamusadi.
The people for that side for Bonamusadi, what it happen no? Now that thing where they call them say les voleurs coagulés. That means say they get coagulation for their reign. Now that kind of people where they see some girl they pass, they say, hey, elle a les belles pelles de fesses, hein? Elle a les pelles de fesses qui font comme ça, comme les pelles de fesses de Coco Memilia. Voilà. Now so the thing happen. The girl they pass for night on our girl picking them. Una begin look out, mommy woman. Una look out. The night work at this son as until we don't find. The boy they sometimes they don't smooth their mbanga, smooth their cool, smooth their depanka. And then they shoot up for they think there for their skin, they warm them. Now you that you can't pass. Sometimes if you win a kulang, I know the toxin are fine tino, now what thing. Now so their man picking power, it start begin wake up. They see that girl, they catch him. They enter for that girl human skin. Akum. They make akum. All them they make akum for that girl. Instead for let the girl how they don't finish. Tourniquet the girl, they don't finish, take the umbraco, put her for the girl woman skin. They will talk say, okay, mommy, me will leave me you go. They leave her. Now then say they choke the girl with knife. Chuck, kill him. Sometimes the girl discover, say one of them, even know him. Sometimes don't know them, sometimes because say he know them, man don't know how the thing pass. Now so they choke that girl so they kill him. As I talk for una so police they go, they do investigation for know what really happened. What are now who they be there for that place? Now who they be that people the way they catch that girl, rape him. What are they do now? When they choke him, so they kill him again. They still don't begin pass place. So insecurity for Douala. You don't tell na papa, my people they na popo helele.
Another Tory countryman, countrywoman, Michelle Ngachu, Jandam catchy woman.
Yes, that my peripheral where they call say Michelle Ngachu. They call Michelle Ngachu in name within Chris Bobby, within animateur, journalist, he don't be an activist. Michelle Ngachu. He don't work for some television for Douala, he work for some 1-2 for Yaoundé, some radio. He don't turn down a very violent activist way. The thing the way they publish them. If you look at Facebook page, you say go confirm them. All people the way they grew the country, he don't publish all information about them. They are picking them, their house them, their hotel, anything we concern them, he publish them. Michelle Ngachu now, he don't no play where he did. Whether Michelle Ngachu in Cameroon, or Michelle Ngachu in Senegal, or in Nigeria, or in outside, they all the same, they define it. Police and gendarme them, they don't send book for outside. They find it. They say sometimes they for outside for Bafusam or they for here for Douala. They define it. They don't get them. They only publish. Do TikTok live them. Do Facebook live them. Talk Tinder about the government where you know the worker. Talk condemn. Now that they don't find it. Pressure don't be for way. They reach a place they don't forget it. They don't go now. They go catch the woman. Toruo here na say Vanessa Ngachu. They don't catch it. They don't catch it. They for go study and then Bere kaki them. They want to say me Ngachu. He come out. May he come out before they go leave you woman. But the truth na say Eske Michel Ngachu be ask the woman authorization before he publish other information before he do what he do actually now. I doubt say Michel Ngachu ask authorization for a woman. So when they catch a woman now, they say now because they don't catch a woman, we go come out. I doubt say na the best solution that more look how the thing go pass. Michel Ngachu don't send message for a woman say courage for you, stay strong. No, may they notice say they don't do anything. Say a big error that way they do for can catch you, but may you stay strong. No, nothing no go happen. A day for una. I dey bless una, I dey protect una. God go protect una. I dey for the battle. I dey continue. I dey still continue for publishing them. Publish Atanganyi in them. Publish this gendarme in them. Publish the policeman in them. Publish the minister in. Publish this other one them. Expose them. At least that thing make up. Plenty of that minister them. And that gendarme people them. That police people them. That minister people them. They panic. They panic say now who they really give you this information concerning my hotel wa bilam. Now who give information. Now give information concerning my plantation. Now give information concerning my banga farm, my plantain farm, my banana farm. Now give information concerning the school where my pikin they go. Now the thing way he pass that.
Woman they complain.
The woman they complain. Better complain. He talk say wetin. He say anytime we get belle, he massa. They always bring you maramanguru ngwete. He massa they bring you wahala. He massa they bring you trouble. He massa they bring you nge. When you don't get belle, all chini waka. He massa they say chérie, je t'aime de toi, je me bijou de toi. Good. No problem. But that way belle enter. Ho. Come and see America Wonder. Do you know America Wonder? Come and see America Wonder. Do you know America Wonder? That means say the man hate belle. He no go claim table with the woman. The woman go she don't saute. The woman's skin is scratch. It is scratch. Can't give the woman to the woman one time no. The man no one time again. The woman they complain. That way so one the view when miscarriage belle come out the man turn back na 5 man. That way finish born. A man turn back na 5 man. So now which kind of man this? Where you hate woman that way they will belle. You like it that way no they will belle. But if you know what to send me the woman carry belle, use condom no. If you know what bonbon the day so it is sweet if you suck am empty, yes. But you must know to say if you want to get suck down bonbon where you want to get suck away, you know the consequences then day. But now if you want suck for where you want suck so that mean the bonbon the red thing way for the bonbon not tight for your mouth, you must put rapun for day for say me you suck up. Now so the thing they happen. So una the suck bonbon, una know to put rapun for inside, una know say palava biok if he enter for the matter. And when biok don't enter, no need for you for come begin talk say that biok don't enter. I don't like me that woman. Where you do belle? I don't like it. It always speak pia. It do so pia. I don't like it. Woman carry banana because you claim for his skin no massa.
In sports, Nigeria win African Nations Cup.
Yes, now for that side for Morocco where the thing pass. Nigeria they start play final against Morocco. Morocco began for win their first African Nations Cup. Nigeria be don win 9 times. Now then that they enter for play the ball. Pam. Dambana sense. Morocco. Pam. Aya. Morocco 1 goal. I see Morocco not 1 goal. They think the goal. They replay the goal. Countryman, a countrywoman. They think the goal. They continue. Now in that again. Pam. Number 2. They think the goal. All man that they think say they so. How they think they go for the way they think wrong go. Morocco, it already win that they AFCON. Now for nothing say, now for forget say Nigeria no be na play. Now that Nigeria bang. He score 1 goal. They play for 64 minutes. Nigeria score number 2. Now 2-2 that. Now so the body go. They play the goal. Hey, countryman. Now Nigeria and that for 84 minutes. Bam! Nigeria score number 3. Number 3 goal. Now so Morocco player them, they begin cry. Whoa, Allahu Akbar. Oh, God is great. They cry, countryman. May that cry, you don't have any situation because Nigeria we don't already win them. So Nigeria don't win African Nations Cup for number 10 time. For the African no, Nigeria get it no. Now they be champion, no nothing, no taking. For palava ndamba for woman no. Now Nigeria then for top. Yes, now they be the number 1 na Nigeria when they talk woman football for Africa.
And Atanganji reject Kamto.
Atanganji, we don't talk say Grand Atango, we don't talk say Maurice Kamto, you know go be candidate. People they be say na yoke where the yoke. Atanganji Maurice Kamto. If get obsession about Maurice Kamto. Today, Maurice Kamto. Tomorrow, Maurice Kamto. Any day, Maurice Kamto. This one. Maurice Kamto. They not go do this. They not go do that. Maurice Kamto no support for do this. He no support for do that. Every single day, na so Maurice Kamto. Now that, countryman, they don't say na play. They matter no na play oh. Small so. Na so elect camp for Saturday. They begin for announce list for people the way. They begin for big candidate. For presidential election when it take place in October. We say na play. Now so Mr. Dr. Egbe, he take microphone. He started announce the name them. He call names them. So he say out of the 83 people the way they can put their candidacy, now only 13. People them say he go call us he call come to his own name, child name of fame. Come to a name not come out. They call other name they call a finish. They no call come to a name for day. Now anger that way was people don't vex. Supporter they for come to don't vex. They don't talk plenty can grammar. Talk plenty can't in them. Now so the master don't go before the party where put come to like their candidate. They call them say money them now, you don't talk so say they go carry the matter, you go for constitutional council. So now for constitutional council we wait for see how the matter will take place today because now only the last place that way, now the last people in the figure authorization say the one way elect can be make wrong, the one now one time I say me go the way we want time come to be candidate. So now so the thing it pass. So the wait we'll see what way it go happen. Otherwise anything will happen, they will not say na so e dey, and they will not say the rest of the opposition leaders them they will put their hand together for support candidacy for Akere Muna. Na so the thing dey because Akere Muna be one of the most vital and very serious candidate for the election way he should say they feel supportive. So if the other one did not come out, Muna support Akere Muna. Now my own to read that way.